No citations will be issued for a Billings police officer who caused a crash on Broadwater Avenue on Tuesday. The police department says it has a policy for officers who are involved in accidents. KTVQ's Simone Diablo has been following this story and joins us with more tonight. Simone.
Jay, well, while there will be no citation, it's possible that the officer could face consequences within the department if an internal process finds him at fault. On Tuesday, Officer Robert Miller was involved in a two-vehicle crash on Broadwater Avenue and 11th Street West. Lieutenant Casey Hafner said Miller was at fault for that crash. Now, typically, if there's an accident, a citation is issued. However, the Billings Police Department says its officers have to go through a different process. If an officer is found to be at fault in an accident, then an internal investigation will take place, which could result in disciplinary action. When asked why officers weren't held to public standards, Police Chief Rich St. John tells us that exempting officers from potential legal liability for traffic infractions is a policy decision that is best handled within the department. He said, quote, "We at one point did issue officer citations. If the question is whether officers are being held accountable, they are," end quote. The patrol car, which was southbound on 11th Street West, sustained significant front-end damage when it hit the passenger front side of the SUV. St. John went on to say, quote, "It puts a permanent mark on someone's record if they are found to be at fault. There is accountability. It's more on the employment areas as opposed to facing a fine," end quote. Lieutenant Hafner said that if the other driver had been at fault, a citation could have been issued, as is the case in most accidents. Damage estimates for the patrol car were not immediately available, and both vehicles were towed from the scene. Jay.
And as Simone said, an internal complaint process is the next step to determine what, if any, action will be taken against the officer.